Alright, welcome back to Combat Chronicles, Day 30, Episode 30. This is the last day of Level 3. And then we're going to be moving on to Level 4. So we're going to be doing 4 rounds. 4 rounds from here on out. I don't know why I just did that. As you can see, I'm still wearing the mask, so it didn't kill me. So we're still going to go ahead with it. I have decided to make it slightly easier. Found out if you take one of the gaskets that's in here and flip it upside down, it makes it more difficult to breathe out instead of breathing in. Not gonna lie, it's still a little difficult to breathe in, though. You still have to kind of force it through. Alright? And like always, if you're just getting here for the first time, I recommend you go back to Episode 1, so that way you can follow along through the full 365 days with us. I'll leave the link, I'll leave the callback, whatever that is, right here. Sorry, it's really hard to think, because I've got to put a lot of focus on breathing now. Okay. Now, I feel good. We're going to do this. Alright, so first combination of the day is going to be a jab, hook, cross. Oh, thank goodness. At least it's not a 5-hit combination like last time. That was not a great place to start with wearing this thing. Alright, so jab, hook. The heck did I just say? Jab, hook, cross. There we go. Jab, hook, cross. Jab, hook, cross. Okay, yeah, this is still going to be hard. I'll still leave the link in the description for y'all. I don't know if I'd recommend it, though. This is really difficult. I mean, I'll do it, but I'm kind of nuts. So, take everything I do with a grain of salt. Okay, no. Hope you're all ready to see me die on camera, because let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, and timer starts now. Yeah, hook, cross. Hook, cross. Yeah. Oh, I missed the hook. There we go. Oh, thank goodness. Oh. Alright, so the next one's going to be a rear hook, hook, rear hook, hook, rear uppercut. Rear hook low, hook high, rear hook low, hook high, uppercut low, rear uppercut low. Okay, one second. Okay. Rear uppercut, rear hook, hook, rear hook, hook, rear uppercut. Rear hook, hook, rear hook, hook, rear uppercut. So, that's where we want to put it. Right there. During the break, I'm just going to try to get some actual breath in, because holy heck, that's hard. Dang it. Okay, let's go. The punches are getting weak. Dang good. Oh. It's getting really hard to do this. And stand. Holy heck. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. Oh. Alright, the next one's going to be a jab, jab, cross, hook. Jab high, cross high, hook, low. That's it. I need to pull away from my face for a second. Okay. Jab high, cross high, hook, low. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't think I have enough energy to show you a third time. I'm gonna save it, the last bit of gas they got in me for the actual round. 10 seconds. Shit. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Dang it. I got none. I just want to touch it. Let's go. Trying to lose control of my movement. Yeah, close. Hook. Okay. Okay. Alright, we made it through. Okay. Not bad. I say, through an immense amount of pain from my lungs being on fire. But we made it through. Way to finish off level 3 strong. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow for the first day of level 4. I'm gonna go take a break.